Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Braap man. We're at FRO hanging out, and we got the XR 250R. We got the 400 EX hitting the trails up. Check out my boy Alonzo West on his channel. We got Nico with the blaster and the XR 250R. I still think it's probably one of the best bikes ever built. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this bike. It's a great all-around trail bike. I had it out for the most part of the day today, trying to burn up my tank a little bit. See how much gas we burned. We burned actually quite some fuel. Actually, took it down to a half tank, which is great. So that means if you're burning gas, it means you're having some fun. You can't go wrong with that, right? And we got the TRX 400 and Nico on the 03 blaster. Let's do a zoom in real quick. Nico zoomed in, bang. And we're just checking out this spot right here. It's this crazy incline, but
yo, that's crazy.
yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go down. I don't think we're gonna go down that today, right, Nick?
I mean,
What do you think about this hill? You think it's crazy, or you think
that's
it's
actually, yeah, it's crazy.
that's pretty steep? I mean, from the camera, it might not look, you know, but actually, this is pretty crazy. I mean, it's pretty steep, and I don't feel like breaking anything today. So,
It's not it.
what's that?
Our food's probably done.
Yeah, we got to go back and eat some food, but I just want to hit you guys back with an update, and thank you for all the subscribers. And if you like these videos, stay tuned for more, and we'll be back soon. And it's a beautiful Sunday. The rain stopped earlier, and we're tearing up the trails at FRO, and we're having a good time. Famous Reading Outdoors, and so we'll be back soon. Peace and hair grease. See you all later. See you.
Yeah. Can we go that way, please?